little plastic sheet thing. And we're going to use this white paper and make sure it has no lines on it. I mean, it's okay if it has lines on it. You can make it however you want it. So first, we're going to put the paper inside. If your paper doesn't fit in, that's okay. You could just trim it. And so I'm having trouble, so I'm going to trim it. So I'm going to put it in now. Now that I trimmed it. So, woo, we have it now. Woo. Yay. So now, let me show you how it works. So what I'm going to do on it first, let's just write my name. So I'm going to use a whiteboard marker. Make sure then it will erase off of it. So I'm just going to write my name, which is, how you spell it, is P-A-R-S-A, Parsa. Alright? So now we are done. So there, Parsa, my name. So you're going to use a tissue. See, on the sheet, you're going to use some tissue. See, alright? And then it just wipes right off. Make sure you're using the right sort of marker, else it won't erase. Alright, so now it's all clear. Now I'm going to use on my refrigerator. So I'm going to do a plus and minus question. So I'm going to do a plus question. So let's do 163 plus, first let's do a plus question, then we'll do a minus question. So 163 plus 57. Yeah. 163 plus 57. You may not know this, but I haven't taught it yet. So I'm just showing you how it works. So yeah, I'm just going to solve this really quickly. So yeah, there. So the answer is 220. Now let's do a minus question on it. It works really good. 126 minus, this one is a minus question, guys. So 126, let's do minus 12. Sure, why not? Alright, let's solve this one. So 6 minus 2, first we're going to do it in order. 6 minus 2, 4, 2 minus 1, 1. Yeah, so I'm not really teaching it to you. I'm just showing how it works right now. Alright? So, alright. So, the answer is 114. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe and hit the bell notification. Alright? Bye!